Yes. Last class we studied about few parts of female reproductive system. That means the ovary and fallopian tube. This class we are going to study about uterus, vagina, external genitalia and glands. First, the uterus. The uterus location. It is located in pelvic cavity. That means in between urinary bladder and rectum. So, if you see the picture, this is uterus. And it is inverted pear shape. And it is hollow and thick walled. And now, the uterus, the largest part of the uterus is body, and the tip, the end part is called fundus. So the bulge part is called fundus. Then that uterus leads to cervix. That cervix opens into a canal called cervical canal, and finally it opens into vagina. So uterus, cervix, cervical canal, vagina. Then uterus, the uterine layer contain 3 layers: perimetrium, myometrium, endometrium. Last class that picture, the perimetrium, myometrium, endometrium is given. Refer that picture, refer that notes. Here this is perimetrium. Perimetrium is thin outer layer. Myometrium is a muscular and it undergoes strong contraction during parturition. The parturition means delivery. Endometrium. Endometrium is a glandular structure and it undergoes changes during menstrual cycle. So these are all the descriptions of uterus. Up to this the uterus are there. Okay. Then vagina next. Vagina contains both fibrous and muscular tissue. Hence it is called fibromuscular tube. It is in the form of tube. It is the organ for copulation in female. That means organ for sex. Then external genitalia. External genitalia is 5 types. But in your book the 4 types are given. This is one of the type also. Mons pubis, labia majora, labia minora, hymen, clitoris. Mons pubis is nothing but a cushion of fatty tissues. In picture it is not given, it is not covered. But in side view picture, that mons pubis, this external genitalia is clearly given in your book. Mons pubis, a cushion of fatty tissues. Labia majora, labia minora, 2 layers, hymen, it covers the vagina. Most importantly, during the first time sex, this hymen is tears. Through vagina, the copulation, at that time the hymen here it is present and it get tears. So, but in women during heavy exercises or cycling or any physical work is done by woman, at that time also the hymen tears. So more importantly, it is not an indication of woman's virginity. This is not for your examination but for your life. Then glands. There are 2 glands. One is Bartholin gland, another one is Skene gland. Bartholin gland present either side of the vagina. It secrete mucus for lubrication. So in male, this Bartholin gland is equivalent to Cowper's gland. Next one is Skene's gland. Skene's gland is present in anterior part of vagina or posterior part of urethra, the end part of urethra. Here it is present. And it is also for lubrication. In male, it is equivalent to prostate gland. So, cervical canal plus vagina, it together forms birth canal. So, this is the description of female reproductive system. Based on the given concept, 1 5 mark will come for your examination. Explain female reproductive system with neat labeled diagram. Thank you.